Hey guys, in this video we're going to fix a WordPress features imaging issue. It means if you have a WordPress, for example WordPress a blog site, and with the blog you add a image as a features item, and then when you try to share that blog through your social media, could be Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, and you see this, the image does not show through the link when you share on your social media. So in this video we're going to fix that kind of issue through a plugin in WordPress. It's called Yoast SEO. But let's see that's what is the what type of issue we're talking about. So let's go. So this is my social media. It's a Facebook page for my blog. So this is my blog. Let me go to the blog over here. Let me go to the blog. Okay, this is my blog, and over here I have, you can see there is a number of block over here. What is mobile gesture? Assume that I'm going to share this one in my, you can see there is a features image already attached over here with this block. But let's try to share that blog in my social media in Facebook page. So I'm going to over here paste the link, or not this one, sorry. Let me get the link. So I got the link, so let me paste it here. Okay, so when I paste the link, you can see the related image it shows over here, right, with this block. If I post it, let's post it, and if I post it, and you will see after I post it, the image does not show over here, right, with this block. It doesn't show the image. The image attached with this block is not showing. So this is, it's kind of issue, right? You definitely don't want it to this to post your blog like this. You want to show the image with your blog, right? So let's go to our Twitter account. So this is our Twitter account. So if I just, let's share the same URL. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over here, and if I click on tweet, then go to view, and you see, so if you go to the view, it just shows the link. There is no image that is supposed to display over here, which is already attached with this block. So how we can resolve this kind of issue? This is very annoying things, right? You definitely don't want to just share your the blog post. You want, definitely with some information, you want to show the image, right? So to resolve that kind of issue, let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, our Code Box Automation Lab dashboard, and we're going to resolve that issue through a plugin. As I said, the plugin name is Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO, minimize that, go to plugin, and then add new, and then search over here, hit enter, the Yoast SEO, and here is the plugin. Let's install it. Okay, so it will take just probably a couple of minutes or a few seconds. It's already installed. Click on active. Okay, you have successfully, it's saying over here, successfully installed the Yoast SEO. So let's see, where is the Yoast SEO over here? Yoast SEO over here. Let's go integration over here. So in integration, okay, you can say get start quickly with the Yoast SEO first time configuration. So you need to do some sort of configuration so that it works with all the the blog or the post you share in your website, right? So let's click on up there, and here you can see over here site presentation, social profile. Okay, click on continue. Oh no, okay, over here start with the SEO data optimization. So let's click on over here, continue. I'm taking the maximum, that's fine. And then okay, so this is like some sort of like wizard, okay, the configuration wizard that you have to confirm. Okay, so does your site represent an organization or person? It's up to you. I keep it as an organization. Here is the website name. Okay, and then if you want you can put a logo, it's up to you. And for now, let me see, I will add later on. Let's go save and continue. Okay, and then next one it's over here, the social media profile that you can share, where you want to share your blog in social media. So you can share the link up here. Okay, I'm going to place, but I'm not going to share up there, show up there. Or you can let me see if I have there. Yes, okay, I have for Facebook. I'm going to place this one. For the Twitter, let's put in the Twitter, so, and then you can add more, probably which one, it's other social media, probably you can add like LinkedIn. Okay, as many as you want you can share up there. Okay, then save and continue. And after that, it's saying here the personal the preference. Okay, Yoast SEO users tracking. Okay, it says you need your help to improve Yoast SEO. Can we collect enormous information about your website and how you use it? Okay, it's up to you. I would say no, it's up to you. If you want to let them track, you can do it. Over here, newsletter, sign up for the newsletter, it's up to you. If you want, you can sign up. It should be optional. So save and continue. Let's see. Yes, and then or visit over here is now it's a finish configuration. So that's it. If you want, you can register for this sign up if you want. So it's up to you. It's not necessary. So let's close it, go back to there. So it should be good now. Okay, so tell us about your site. So it should be good now. Okay, so it should be good now. It should work now. Let's go back to our Facebook page. Right over here we'll say mobile gesture, right? So this is the one, I believe, right? So let me refresh it. Let's see, refresh share a task. Okay, save it, then refresh your page too. So here we go, you can see this is the, now it's the block. It's showing your attached image, like the image you add on your feature, right? So that's what it's showing over here. Let's go to our over here on our Twitter. So let's edit this one, or let's delete it, this one. Okay, let's create a new post and let's see. Tweet. Okay, view. Here we go. Now we can see your attached image, which is supposed to show, it's showing right now. Okay, so that's the solution. The Yoast SEO is the solution, is a plugin. It's a great plugin to solve this kind of problem. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks a lot, have a good one. Bye bye.